Hello and welcome to Teresa Treats. Today we're going to make one of the best recipes I can think of which children love is burgers. Yes, we're going to make burgers as part of our My Ramadan series. And why I'm making burgers? Because the patty inside the burger can be made in bulk and we can store it in the deep freeze. And so this is a recipe which you can be prepared beforehand even if guests are coming and you don't have the time. This is one of the recipes that you can dole out. Yes, so today we're going to see how to make chicken patty burgers. Let's get into the recipe. For the chicken burger, let us first prepare the marination for the chicken patty. I have here 500 grams of boneless chicken thighs. I prefer thighs because they are soft and juicy. I have washed the chicken well and pat dried them completely. To this, I am adding 2 teaspoons of vinegar and 1 teaspoon of salt. Now we'll rub the salt and the vinegar well into the chicken. We will allow it to be marinated for at least 20 minutes. In a pan, I am adding 2 tablespoons of butter. Now you can use oil, but butter gives a richer taste. Once the butter melts, I am going to add here 7 to 8 cloves of garlic. To prevent the butter from burning, I am adding 1 teaspoon of oil. Once the garlic is fragrant, I am going to add here 2 green chilies. You can chop them also. And 1 finely sliced onion. Now saute the onion till they are golden in color. Next, I am going to add here 1 cup of chopped celery. Now celery is a wonderful herb that enhances the flavor of the meat. Give everything a good stir and fry well. Now once the celery, the onions and the garlics have fried well, we will then cool it completely and then grind it to a coarse paste. Now that our spice mixture is ready, I am adding the spice mixture to the marinated chicken and I will grind it together into a coarse paste. This texture is perfect for our patty. Next, transfer the mixture to a plate and add half a teaspoon of pepper powder, 2 tablespoons of breadcrumbs. I have ground fresh bread into fine crumbs for a very good texture. I am also going to add here 1 teaspoon of mustard sauce and a little salt to taste. Remember, we've already added salt during the marination. Mix everything well and now it's ready to shape into patties. Now take a portion of this mixture and shape it into a patty the same size as that of your burger bun. Now see how I've taken for the patty a ball of chicken mix and rounded them to the size of the burger bun. And our patty is ready. Now let's cook it. First, I'm lightly roasting the burger bun with some butter. This makes it nice and crispy. Next, so I'm giving a mix of both butter and oil for frying the patty as it lends a very good taste to the patty. and frying the chicken patty on low flame till it's golden brown. Now see how beautifully the patty is getting fried. Now I'm placing a cheese slice on top of the hot patty and letting it melt. You can use half a slice or a full slice, that's up to you. I'm taking here half a slice. And see how beautifully the cheese melts on the patty. Now let's assemble our burger. First, place the chicken patty on the toasted burger bun. Add thinly sliced onion, thinly sliced tomatoes, and cucumbers. You can choose any veggies you like. Now I'm going to add here generous amount of mayo. You can drizzle some mustard sauce for an extra click of flavor. Now along with it, I'm adding here some Chinese cabbage. And that's it. Our juicy homemade chicken burger is ready. Let's plate it and enjoy. So our chicken patty burger is ready and I've kept some French fries. And this is one of the hit that children love it. So do make this recipe and let me know how you liked it. And as always I say, cook with passion, serve with love. Follow Teresa Treats, like my channel, share my channel, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video.